Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change icon in component Figma. So first of all, you just have to launch your web browser and then you will have to type figma.com in the search bar. Then you just have to log in into your account and afterwards you will have to select your project. Now, once you have selected the project, the first thing that you need to do is to simply add icons into it. So for that, you will have to click on this main menu tab and then you just have to go to plugins. Here you will be able to see this Iconify plugin. So simply need to add this plugin in your project, and once you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different icons over here. So if you want to search for any of the icons, then you can type it in the search bar, and after that you just have to select it and you will have to click on import icon. For this video I'm going to select two of the icons. So as you can see over here that I have two icons which I have added into my project. Now in order to change icon in component Figma, you will have to first create a component. So in order to do so, you will have to click on this rectangle tab in the top. After that you will have to create a rectangle. Then you can change its color. After that you can place your icons on top of the frame that you have selected. After that you just have to select the icons and then you will be able to see a variant option in the right hand side. But as you can see over here that currently in my project I'm not able to see that variant option. So what you can do is you can simply navigate to the top and you will have to click on this component icon. Once done, you will be able to see that these two icons have been created, or these two icons are now component. Once it is created as component, you can use it and you can copy it and you can even swap it on your component. In order to do so, you are going to see this components tab with this diamond button, and right next to it you are going to see these two options, and underneath it you are going to see properties. So if you click on properties, then you are going to see a bunch of different options, so you can use these options in order to swap your icon. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.